Under the soft and soothing lights, listen to the cicadas and campfires, or a stream flowing in the forest, before drifting off to sleep. The sleeping time can be set at will. The sound and light will gradually weaken, and it will automatically stop when the time is reached. The sunrise alarm, smart ambient light, sound simulator, sleep assistant, into one. With 18 different dynamic lighting effects, 16 million colors and 16 soothing nature sounds, Arkanston gently wakes you up every morning and helps you fall asleep every night. Two alarm clocks can be set at the same time, one for working days and one for weekends. In addition, the nap function allows you to sleep for a few more minutes with the click of a button, avoiding oversleeping. In addition to meeting the needs of adults, Baby Sound Machine with the healthy growth of children, providing soft light for midnight newborn feeding sessions, the comfort of a nightlight for a preschooler, plus a time to rise setting for your older child. Alarm clock for kids have one-button control. Kids' alarm clock can be adjusted remotely via phone, or can be tapped on manually as needed. No need to disturb the sleeping baby.